To control the way your machine changes colors between color stops, you can assign a specific color mode option. To do this, click on the Color Sequence Settings menu. The three color change mode options are Automatic Mode, Semi-Automatic Mode, and Manual Mode. If your machine is in Automatic Mode, represented by an AA icon, your machine will automatically switch needles after each color stop and immediately embroider the next color unless you've assigned a low speed setting or an offset setting to your color stops. If you want your machine to stop embroidering after each color stop, change your mode to semi-automatic, represented by the AM icon. This will require you to press Start after each color stop, but will guarantee that you are happy with the embroidery before proceeding to the next color. If you want to assign colors to your color stops one by one and have your machine stop after each color stop, you can switch your machine to manual mode represented by the MM icon.